I've worked in digital public service leadership for about 10 years now, coming from central government into Welsh Government about 2.5 years ago. So I think what the programme has done for me, it's kind of consolidated a lot of that learning. It's allowed me to kind of meet like-minded people and to network, which was the primary kind of objective of being involved with the programme initially. Obviously, there's been learning along that journey. I really enjoyed being able to interact. I learn quite a lot from doing and being involved and listening to others and being able to put kind of my learning into practice. So it's been great for that. So I really enjoyed the first part of the course where we were learning more about different aspects of kind of leading public services. I particularly liked the speaker that came in to talk about the Future Generations Act and how that kind of intrinsically links into everything that we do in terms of policy and things within government. So that was really kind of insightful. And although I'd learned a little bit about it when I first came into Welsh Government, because it kind of underpins a lot of what we do, I think having somebody talk about it more pragmatically, I think was really, really useful. So ever since coming to Welsh Government and into the team in Hwb particularly, I've been a massive advocate and champion for user-centred design and human-centred design. So I'll definitely be continuing on that kind of journey, trying to get people to think about the user at the heart of what we're doing. And I think we need to maintain focus on that and really think about who we're delivering for. I think it's important to think about what you're hoping to get out of it. Like I said, I've worked in delivering public services for quite a while, but I think there's something for everyone as part of the programme. And for me, it was about the networking aspect. And I've met some really great people. And yeah, so I'd encourage anyone to apply.